Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be starting our first series on this channel. We're going to be making a dropper game. So you might have heard of droppers from Minecraft and maybe even played a couple Roblox droppers. But basically how it works is, so you're jumping from a very high place. You have to avoid all these obstacles on your way down, and then you have to land in water or something so that way you don't die. So that's what we're going to be building. In this episode, we're going to be building our first map, and if we have time, we will also make the parts that kill you in the map, the script for them also. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, I'm going to edit the base plate. It needs this ugly looking base plate. I'm going to make it, I don't know, red, or I have no idea. No, I'll just make it green. First level will be grass. And then I'm just gonna make the surface, oops, wrong surface. The surface to, where is it? Smooth, here we go. So that works. That should be good now. Ow, my eyes, never mind. Okay, no, just change it to this. Now change the material to grass, cause, well, it's plain, so why not? Oh, actually, since it's grass, I guess I can make it lighter now. Never mind, this still hurts my eyes. Help. Right, like this. I guess. I don't know. Now I'm going to unselect base plate and change the material to, I don't know. Oh, ice, I guess. So I'm going to change the color of this to blue. Alright, so right now we're going to work on the walls of the dropper. So first I'm going to make this anchored, of course. And you scale it to be very, it literally just took off into the sky. Okay, that's not what I wanted. And this thing very high. See, not too high. I don't know. I'm gonna widen it out to see. I'm not sure. Is this too high? Yeah, I guess it is too high. Alright, like this. Why not? And then I'm gonna turn cast shadow to off. Alright. So now I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm going to move it over here. Duplicate it again. This time we will rotate it. Actually, before I rotate that, I'm going to change the rotate to normal. It's normal again. Like 45 studs, I think. Alright, here we go. Now I can move it. Let's go down to the bottom here because I want to get this even. I'm going to do this right. Alright, so the touching. Yeah, it is. Alright, so now I can move it this way. And it's actually not really touching right over here. I'm gonna move it like that. And I'm gonna make it like this a bit more. I want this to be even. Now this is not touching right here. There we go, kind of. Okay, I'm very paranoid about this. I want it to be perfect. Right, there we go. And there we go again. It's not touching. What am I doing? Oh, and guys, be sure to join our group. Link in the description below. Once we're done with this game, this will be published for our group, by the way. So yeah. So now we have this here. Probably just I'm gonna make a cloud model real quick. Why not? Actually, first before we do that, we have to make the platform we're going to jump from. So, how about we make a part? We're going to actually change the material of this. What do we want the parts? First, unselect this part right here. What do you want the material to be for this? I'll just keep it ice. Why not? Just make it blue a bit lighter. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to set the transparency to 0.75. It's 85.75. There we go. Now we can also make it anchored. You guys will see what I'm doing in a bit. So this level, guys, by the way, is just going to be the tutorial level. Alright, right now, it's like this. Now move it up. It's too high. I'm gonna move it like right here, I guess. Can't really see out. Alright, so this is gonna be where we jump from. Now add in another part. I'm gonna make a negative part. Cause actually I want to change this up a bit. So I'm gonna bring this down to the bottom. Select this part, I'm gonna negate it. I can select this right here and I can union it. So now there is a hole in it. And I think actually before negate it, I'm gonna actually make this all the walls here, so that way it can only jump out through the middle. Alright, here we go into union. There we go. So now to test it out to make sure that I can actually jump through this hole, I will put down the spawn. See now if I spawn in, are you gonna like spawn me in or something, or is it just gonna be stuck on this screen? Come on, hello. This hard to spawn in already. Come on. Alright, here we go. Why is my... Okay, it's very laggy. Alright, here we go. Slowly loading. What is going on right now? Alright, good. I can jump through this hole. But as you can see, nothing happens. That's lame. Who wants to play a game where you just jump down into a huge hole and do nothing? Nobody. So, I guess we're gonna have time for the parts today. So the kill parts. Now first, of course, we have to make this part. I'm gonna add a part right here. I guess it'll be clouds. These will all be cloud parts, I guess. That's what's gonna kill you in this. So, color will be white. Because that's color clouds are, obviously. I'm gonna make anchored. Alright, so this is just gonna be a test part right here. But we're not gonna add a script into this. Because if we have multiple parts right here, and we want to change the script, it's gonna be difficult to go through every script here and change every one of them. So we have to change this part, and then we'll have to go and change another kill part script. So let's make it only one script, so that way I can change the script for all of them at once. To do this, we're going to go to server storage here, add in a folder, rename this to scripts. Should I just do it lowercase s, scripts, and now we can add in our script. Alright guys, so in the script right here, we're going to want to say script.parent.touch. Even though you can't touch a folder, it will soon be in the part. Actually, since we're doing this right now and we're going to test it, see, oops, I didn't mean to use the whole folder. Server storage. I just went to grab the script. Right, here we go. Yeah, it's the right part. Script.parent.touch :connect function, and then we're gonna do if hit Oh wait, no, we gotta do connect function hit. Alright, so if hit dot parent colon, let's see, find first child, then I'm gonna do humanoid. Then, so to test it, for now we're just gonna do print. I'm gonna say, I don't know, die, just to test it out to see if it's working. Now, if I spawn in, can probably also open the output while I wait. I don't know what all this stuff is in here. You like let me spawn in. What's happening right now? Now it says Netherite Studios place number 3, but it will be changed soon. What is going on? Hello? Is it like impossible to spawn in? Alright, here we go. So we're gonna go into the output. See, you can see it says die right there. So that is a great sign. That means it is working, and everything's working. I just said that twice. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say hit dot parent dot humanoid. You can also get rid of this print die here because we don't need it anymore, but I'm just gonna keep it because why not? Script dot parent dot humanoid dot health equals 0. Now let's test it. Hopefully I didn't get anything wrong. Alright, I spawned in immediately this time, and it works. So you can see I am dead. No, it's why am I floating? It's very weird. And you can see if I respawn, I can touch it again, and obviously I die. We'll be adding a ragdoll script soon, but that's not going to be in camera because it's not my script. Yeah, I'm not going to take credit for it. But that will be added soon. You can see it works. So now we'll move this script into scripts right here. And then we can add a script into this part. So we're going to say local server storage equals game colon get service server storage. We're going to say local die script. We can also rename this right here. Change the name to die script. Right, there we go. Local die script equals server storage dot scripts and then dot die script. Die. Now I'm just gonna copy this right here, and then I can paste it. I'm making sure everything is spelled correctly. Also, I'm just gonna get the name of this, copy it, paste it right here, just to make sure, because I don't want to take any chances. I don't want anything to go wrong, so it's gonna say, colon clone. Also, I'm gonna say die script colon clone or die script dot parent equal script dot parent. Let's see if it works now. Please say it works. Wait, oh, I forgot one thing, but the test. Yep, die script is there. Alright, so then we're gonna do script colon destroy. Here you go. So now that's the line I forgot. So that way, if we ever want to make changes to any one of these parts right here, all we have to do is go into server storage and change that script, and it'll change all these scripts. So now, as you can see, it still kills me. And in order to change this script, we can change all the scripts at once, which is good. You can see the other script got, oops, I almost went down. deleted, and die script is now there. And just to make sure, what, 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 what? Okay, I'll have to figure this out in a bit. What happened? Why can't I jump down? Why? You can separate it. Let's see. Negative part. Maybe such a negative part that can't collide. I don't know. It's already actually set to that. Huh. Huh. I don't even know why that's not happening. So I'll just use this negated part as like a just look at. That way I can use this properly. I just duplicated a bunch of times and change it like this. I can move it over here. That way you can't tell. Nobody can tell. It's never happened, okay? And then, alright guys, I've duplicated it and put it all the way around. So now I'm just going to go ahead and delete this negated part right here. And as you can see, we have our little hole in the middle to jump out of. No. I had to make it so it's harder to see this right here. Alright, I think it's good. Sticking out as a map a bit, but that's fine. So this works now. Now all we have to do, also, base plate here. You can copy this script and paste it into the base plate. Cause if you land on the base plate, you're still gonna die. Cause you need to land in the spot where you're supposed to land. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to move it down here, and we are going to start duplicating these clouds into level, and we can create our first level. So I'll just move them and I'll rotate them. Ready, and I'll be back once I'm done. Alright guys, I am done for now with the tutorial level. As you can see, I didn't really put a lot of clouds. Well, of course, it's because, well, it's a tutorial level, so it's supposed to be easy. Just for fun though, I'll put one more cloud right over here. Right, here we go. So now if I test this, I need to make sure it works. You can look inside of each of these parts. You can see all the scripts here. I don't know what this touch interest is doing here. What is there? So you can see I missed all of them, but I still hit the base plate and I died. And if I wanted to, I can go ahead and land on every one of these clouds. Each one of them would still kill me. You can see it works. Of them, I'm gonna work on the safe part at the bottom. For this part, I'm just gonna add another part right here. I'm going to anchor it, and I will set the material. What should the material be? And just set it to marble, and I'll make the color blue. Well, I feel like 99% of this stuff in this map is blue. Right now, I'll make this green. No, I'll make this white marble. Right, here we go. I'll build a spot right here in the middle, and like this. Let's see. Make here. So instead of actually, alright, here we go. So these will be the two safe spots that you can land on. And now, yeah, I'll just keep it marble. I'll make it unique from other dropper games, and instead of landing in water. I don't know what I should do. What should I do? Make it like this, and then You add another part right here. This part's going to be neon, and we'll just keep it white. And if you land on this part, it's going to teleport you to the next level. So now if I do it, alright. Also, next episode we are going to work on the tutorial GUI, or maybe next episode we'll work on advancing a new level, so you can see it's make sure it's actually possible. And you can see we didn't die because we didn't land on the grass. The C-frame's a bit messed up. And this part does nothing for now, but it will next episode probably. And of course if we touch a base plate, well, that happens. Just gonna make sure it's anchored. Alright, so now the last thing we can do. Well, first let's name this to tutorial spawn. The last couple things you should do actually. Go back up here. This is optional what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna delete the decal and make this spawn. The transparency. Yeah. No, I'm gonna keep the decal there. And change the transparency of this to 1. Not the oh my gosh, what am I doing? The transparency of the spawn to 1. There we go. Also set it can collide off. There you go. So this is the spawn point right there. You can still see the shadow. Cast shadow. There we go. So now it should work. This should be the tutorial spawn. And next episode, I'll do more stuff here. But now I'm going to select everything here by doing shift and click like this. So it's selected everything. I'm going to group it and rename this model right here to tutorial level. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so I never miss an upload, and we'll do part 2 soon. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also join our group. Link in the description. Bye.